So let us take down the question. First, I hope everyone understood the procedure, what we are going to do. So basically what we are going to do is to design a doubly reinforced section. So first we are going to consider it as a singly reinforced section का जितना कैपेसिटी है मोमेंट टेकिंग कैपेसिटी, तो उसके लिए स्टील फाइंड आउट करेंगे और फिर जो रिमेनिंग मोमेंट जो बच जाता है उसके लिए देन अगेन वी विल फाइंड आउट AST एंड ASC. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. इसके लिए इतने स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व है इसमें. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, MR ऑफ अ सिंगली रिइंफोर्स्ड बैलेंस सेक्शन निकाला, उसको टोटल मोमेंट से उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया और फिर रिमेनिंग मोमेंट के लिए फिर हम लोग एडिशनल स्टील निकाल रहे हैं. सो दैट इज द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, सो वंस यू विल सॉल्व द problem you will understand in detail. So let us take the question, take down the question. Write down a doubly reinforced concrete beam, a doubly reinforced concrete beam 250 mm wide and 600 mm deep a doubly reinforced concrete beam 250 mm wide and 600 mm deep overall has to resist an external bending moment of 95 kilonewton meter. Has to resist an external bending moment of 95 kilonewton meter. Find the amount of tensile and compression steel required. Find the amount of tensile and compression steel required if cover to center of the steel, if cover to the center of the steel on both the sides is 50 mm. If cover to the center of the steel on both the sides is 50 mm. Take sigma CBC equal to 5. Take sigma CBC equal to 5. Sigma HT equal to 140. Sigma ST equal to 140. Modular ratio M is equal to 18.66. So that is the question. I hope everyone has noted down the question. So let us start with the third type, that is design of the section. So let us first write down what is given. So the dimensions are given. Yeah, I hope I'm audible to everyone. Am I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So give me the dimensions of the beam. B कितना है?
250.
Okay. And depth कितना है?
600.
Small d और capital D?
Capital D.
Okay. So capital D is 600 mm. And इसके बाद I think bending moment दिया है. कितना है bending moment?
95.
95. And then we have been given the value of effective cover. ठीक है, center of the steel दिया है, तो that means effective cover is given to us on both the sides. ठीक है, तो compression as well as tension side का effective cover it is given, so which is equal to 50 mm. Then stresses का value दिया है, sigma CBC is 5, sigma ST is 140, correct, and M is equal to 18.66. ठीक है, on both the sides इफेक्टिव कवर दिया है मतलब d डैश इज ऑल्सो गिवन विच इज 50 mm. ठीक है. So now what we have to find out? So we have to find AST and ASC. So this is a design problem. So let us start with the design. So what is the first step? I think you must have started also with the solution. So you can start with the solution. Once you get the question, do not wait for me. So the first step is to find XC. Okay. So sigma CBC upon sigma HT by M XC upon D minus XC. ठीक है. सिग्मा CBC है 5, सिग्मा HT है 140, M is also given, and what is XC we don't know, and D. ठीक है. So capital D 600. तो इफेक्टिव डेप्थ कितना हो जाएगा? इफेक्टिव कवर भी दिया है. So 550. Give me the value of XC now. You can just write in the chat box. So now you have to be quick. While doing the calculations, I want the answers from you. 219.95 Abdul is saying. Others also. Just confirm. 2 students have got the value so far. Yes, anyone else? Okay, fine. So this is 219.95. So we got the value of the critical neutral axis. So what is the next step? The next step is to find AST1 by equating C equal to. So now here you are considering it as a singly reinforced section and finding out AST1. ठीक है. जो AST1 है that is for a singly reinforced section, याद रखना. So to find AST1, so what we are going to do, we are equating C equal to T. So C क्या है for a singly reinforced? B into XC into sigma CBC by 2 is equal to sigma ST into AST. Correct? तो अभी put the values. B कितना है 250, XC is 219.95, sigma CBC is 5 by 2, sigma ST is 140, AST1 is the unknown. Give me the value of AST1 now. AST1, anyone? $981.91. Anyone else? Just confirm me the value. Okay. So 981.92. So we got the value of AST1. So now what is the next step? The next step is to find out MR of a singly reinforced balance section. So now MR of a singly reinforced balance section is given by, we know it is given by, anyone can give me the equation of MR of a singly reinforced? They can just speak. MR याद है किसी को? Find out the value of MR. Yes. So it is given by B into X into sigma CBC by 2 into the lever arm D minus XC by 3. याद आया अभी? So give me the value of MR now. Okay, so B is nothing but 250, XC is 219.95, sigma CBC by 2 into D is 550, XC is 219.95 by 3. What is the value of MR? Yes, please do not write the attendance now. Write your attendance in the last 5 minutes. When we are discussing the problems, please don't write the attendance. 65.53. Okay. So we got the MR 65.53. So what do you mean by this? जो ये singly reinforced we have considered. Okay, उसका capacity है ये. And the acting moment कितना है? 95. That means it is exceeding the capacity of a singly reinforced. So that is the reason it is a doubly reinforced section. Are you getting? So now we'll find out the remaining bending moment.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes.
एकदम ब्लर दिख रहा है सर.
हाँ, एक मिनट रुक जाओ, वो अपने आप क्लियर हो जाएगा. अभी क्लियर है? I think it is clear now.
नहीं सर.
हेलो.
Yes, what about others? और किसी को ब्लर दिख रहा है? Because मुझे तो क्लियर दिख रहा है एकदम.
हेलो.
Yes.
Actually, there is some network issue, so probably because of that, we can view it in a bit blurry way.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हाँ, तो मे बी तुम्हारा आवेश का थोड़ा नेटवर्क इश्यू रहेगा. So always maybe.
सर इसको सिंगली रीइंफोर्स क्यों कंसीडर किए थे?
Yes.
सिंगली रीइंफोर्स क्यों कंसीडर किए थे इसे?
हाँ, तो मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताया था डबली रीइंफोर्स्ड सेक्शन जब भी डिजाइन करेंगे तो उसको पहले सिंगली रीइंफोर्स्ड कंसीडर करके उसका कैपेसिटी निकालेंगे और फिर बाद में जो रिमेनिंग मोमेंट है उसके लिए फिर हम लोग स्टील निकालेंगे, एडिशनल स्टील. So this is the approach we follow to design a doubly reinforced section.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Okay. तो बस इतना ही तुमको ध्यान में रखना है कि doubly reinforced section में the approach is like this. तो MR सबको मिल गया, that is 65.63. ठीक है. So now what is the next step? Remaining bending moment. Okay, so remaining bending moment we'll find out, which is given by M1. Okay, M1 is equal to M minus MR. M कितना है, which is given in the question 95, और MR कितना आया? ठीक है, so MR, so last 10 minutes are remaining for this session, so just be quick. It is 65.53. ठीक है, so what is this value? 29.47, correct?
29.47.
Okay, so we got the remaining bending moment. ठीक है, अभी ये remaining bending moment के लिए we'll have to find out the additional steel. इसके लिए ये doubly reinforced है. ये doubly reinforced section क्यों है? First of all, because जो तुम्हारा capacity है singly reinforced section का, वो capacity से ज़्यादा moment act कर रहा है, that is 95. Hence it is a doubly reinforced section. ये मैंने reasons में बताया था कि when do we go for a doubly reinforced section. So now let us find out AST2. ठीक है, so to find AST2 कैसे निकालेंगे? रिमेनिंग बेंडिंग मोमेंट के लिए M1 के लिए, so M1 is given by T into lever arm. ठीक है, so which is nothing but sigma ST into AST2 into D minus D dash, और M1 कितना है? 29.47 into 10 raised to 6. So now can you find out? I'll just write the values also for you. 140, only AST2 is the unknown. ये कितना है? 550 minus 50. Give me the value of AST2 now, quickly. for this extra bending moment, we are going to find out the additional steel, that is AST2 and ASC. 421, correct. So 421 mm square, we got AST2. So now can you tell me what is total AST? Just add both. Total AST है मेरा AST1 plus AST2, correct? तो AST1 कितना था? 981.92 plus 421, ठीक है? So ये टोटल वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. Give me the value. Now the next step is, the last step is to find ASC. Okay, so now we'll find out the compression steel. So which is given by equation just now we had discussed. So this is 1402.92. Okay, 1402.92. This we got the total AST. Now to find out the ASC, what is the equation? We had just discussed M into AST2 into D minus XC is equal to 1.5 M minus 1 into ASC into XC minus D dash. So now give me the value of ASC quickly. Do you want me to write the terms also? So M is nothing but 18.66. AST2 कितना है? 421. D है 550. XC is I think 219.95. So ये 1.5 M minus 1. ASC is unknown. XC is or D dash is 50. So now give me the value of ASC. First, $565.26. Okay, correct. So we got the value of ASC also. So we got AST and ASC. So now can anyone tell me what is the next thing you're going to do? I had told you in design problems what to do at the end.
Draw the section.
Exactly. Draw the reinforcement detailing. ठीक है, so this is AST2. 421 AST2 है. ठीक है, तो ASC जब भी निकालेंगे तो हम लोग एडिशनल स्टील निकाल रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो AST2 फॉर दी एक्स्ट्रा मोमेंट है ना, एक्स्ट्रा मोमेंट के लिए AST2 आ रहा है, तो इसके लिए हम निकाल रहे हैं ASC ऑल्सो. So now we'll draw the reinforcement detailing the section. So now tell me AST है 1402. So how much you will provide? First you have to select a suitable diameter. Correct? Yes.
सर वो M1 निकालने में D माइनस D डैश होगा,
Yes.
वहाँ पे Z नहीं आता है.
हाँ, तो ये लीवर आर्म है ना तुम्हारा, जो कंप्रेशन फोर्स के लिए लीवर आर्म देखो क्या है, जो अपना फिगर है स्ट्रेस डायग्राम. C2 के लिए लीवर आर्म क्या है? अबाउट द टेंसाइल जब भी तुम लोगे तो D माइनस D डैश है ना, याद आया?
हाँ सर, वो दो स्टील के बीच में वो के.
हाँ हाँ. चलो, now let us draw the reinforcement detailing. We have only 3 minutes left. So इसके बाद after 10 minutes quickly join for the second session. We'll complete this topic today. ठीक है, we'll take a couple of problems, some important problems, and then we'll finish this topic. ठीक है, अभी मुझे बताओ AST के लिए एक suitable सबसे पहले diameter consider करो, and then give me the number of bars. You know, right, how to find out the number of bars? ठीक है. सो सिंस द स्टील इज मोर, तो डायमीटर कितना एज्यूम करेंगे? लेट अस एज्यूम 25 mm डायमीटर. So if you assume 25 mm diameter, so what you are getting number of bars? Yes, give me the values first. ठीक है, बाद में लिखना अटेंडेंस. पहले मुझे स्टील बताओ. So this is B.
4.46
What is 4.46
number of bars.
for 25 diameter? I don't think so.
For 20.
Okay, 3 bars. ठीक है. So 25 अगर if you consider, so 3 bars आएगा. ठीक है. So AST लास्ट में provided भी लिख सकते हो. AST provided is 3 bars of 25 you are providing. ठीक है, तो वो लिख देना. अभी ASC तो स्टील थोड़ा कम है, सो वी कैन एज्यूम 20 mm डायमीटर ऑल्सो. तो 20 अगर एज्यूम किया तो कितने बार्स आएंगे? 2 बार्स आएंगे ASC के लिए. ठीक है. सो 2 बार्स ऑफ 20 वी कैन प्रोवाइड एज द कंप्रेशन स्टील. ठीक है, तो ये टोटल D है मेरा 600 mm and this effective cover is 50 mm. ठीक है, ये effective depth this is 550 mm and this is 3 bars of 25 dia and this is 2 bars of 20 dia. So this is your final reinforcement detailing. ये वैल्यू भी बता दो मुझे, ASC प्रोवाइडेड कितना आ रहा है? ठीक है, it is not required but it is enough if you show like this, but still 1472.62 correct. ठीक है, तो AST 1402 था तो हमने 1472 प्रोवाइड किया, so no problem. ये कितना है? 628.31. okay, so I hope this is clear now everyone.